good people, thank Baba God for another day wey Baba God has allow us see. Today, my yarnings will be about this abuse of drugs when our young people they do these days. Our young boys and our young girls. Me no know whether na no value na life or whether you need to dey high to dey happy. I don't know. Because when you go ask them, they go tell you say they want dey happy. Most of them. Because I don't know wetin you dey find for life. When you go dey do hard drugs, you go do the drugs finish, you no go be yourself. You go do the drugs finish, you go dey harm people make they around you. I don't know wetin dey happen. Really, I don't know wetin dey happen. Me, I no go fit deny the fact say the country no easy, the country hard. Make we no just deceive ourselves for that aspect. But this issue of say we come be like say na that highness so, na that hard drugs so, na come dey make us dey feel alive so, e no follow. E no follow because anything wey we go dey do, make we still dey think about ourselves, the harm we go do to ourselves. You go dey see teenager of these days, 17 years, 18 years old, go dey resemble person wey dey 30 something. Because the drugs don't shrink am. Because I don't know wetin dey happen. See the update when I dey get that day now. Oga take colos finish, e reach house, the pikin run come greet am na, I carry the pikin na, use am take stone walk, kill the pikin throway. All those things no be things wey be say suppose to dey follow now. Young boys, young girls, most of them na peer pressure. My friend drag one, I fit drag two. Who you dey follow do competition? Life na turn by turn. Why you dey do competition with people? Live your life. You understand? At the end of the day, everybody come in your own life. But at the same time, make person see truth, make person dey talk am. Hard drugs no get wetin dey do for our body. Me no know wetin who we dey try imitate. All our young boys, our young girls, all of them dey fast lane. They wan dey on the fast lane. I know say when you no dey fast lane, but oga, madam, see reason, still dey careful. Because wetin dey really dey sup, wetin really dey happen, when you dey run dey go. They go take the colos finish, they no go be their self. See one of my person that day, na e dey store, na store when e dey. I wan shop when she dey. Na who take colos, come almost attack her. She break hand. For her own shop, no be say na she take the colos now. Na another person take colos, na shop when she dey, and the person come dey pursue her. In the process of saying the person dey pursue her, then she come go misstep, she come fall, she come break hand. You dey get so really, I don't know who I go blame. Whether na the family, the household, say papa and mama no do their work, or we go blame society, or we go blame our government. To me, e no get how mother and father wan see take do reach. Because for instance, if you be mama, if you be papa, pikin go dey house with you. Na the talk, the one you fit see talk and you go fit see talk. You no dey follow the pikin go school. As in na pikin be dey institution now. Na hostel dey stay. You wan follow am go hostel? You know wetin dey do for hostel. You know wetin dey do for class. You no fit dey monitor pikin reach. Na use God. Na she dey help person. You no fit monitor pikin reach there. Na the one you fit do and you fit still do. But I just believe say when it comes to this hard drugs of a thing, na our government we go still blame. Because really for Nigeria, the Nigeria of today, too many things dey enter the country. Nobody dey regulate anything. Everything goes. People just dey cash out with people health all in the name of say they dey sell drugs. Nobody care. Everybody conscience don lock. They no care the damage wey they do to people. Because if you care the damage wey you dey do to people, they no get the reason why you dey sell that kind drugs. Hard drugs, they give people, they damage people's life. Because the government here go see blame for this thing. Because if not the government, anything to the enter, Nigeria don't turn dumping ground to some persons. They will just produce the thing. Maybe another country, they'll say, carry Nigeria, they go buy. Anything here they buy, everything goes in this country. Now make some kind of things, they happen. They go take hard drugs when they take. You go they come for club or wherever you they come from for night, trailer me packing, you go enter under. It don't become occurrence. They happen every time. And really, they nice. Say young people they die because of carelessness. Because if it's not carelessness, I go use my money to go buy what you go kill me. Think now. It doesn't make any sense. It don't make any sense. because we need to do better. So na another new year, so we need to do better. Because I don't know why you go dey take drugs, you say you wan dey high, you wan dey another realm. Which realm you wan dey again, oga and madam? Which realm you wan dey? But really, we need to do better. We need to act better. Because you think about yourself. Think before you take that drugs. Think wetin e go do you. Say your friend dey take am, no mean say you go take am. No let peer pressure carry you go where you no know. No let peer pressure carry you go where you no go ever fit come back from. My people, una do.